I have a cup of whole wheat flour in this bowl. As always, I will give you grams in the recipe in the description box underneath the video, okay? I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of wheat bran and 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds and 1 tablespoon of raw pumpkin seeds. Half a teaspoon of salt, little pepper. Now half a cup of water and a 1/4 cup of oil. I'm using avocado oil. You can use olive oil as well or whatever oil you want. I'm gonna mix this. I need you to have your hands clean because we're gonna knead this with our hands for a little bit. How easy is this? It doesn't need a lot of kneading, just enough to have it into a uniform, a non-sticky ball. Just a few minutes. That's it. We're gonna divide our dough in 2. We're gonna roll this out with a pin, a rolling pin, until it's nice and thin. On top of a silicone mat, if you don't have one, use parchment, directly onto the sheet, okay? The baking sheet. Can you see that? I want you to roll it out that thin. It's about 1/8, I guess, of an inch, okay? We're gonna score this with a pizza cutter. I am not cutting all the way through, guys. I'm just going to sprinkle some salt on top. So we're gonna do the same exact thing with the other half on another tray, and I'm gonna put them in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It's been preheating, so it's nice and hot. That is 176 centigrade for 12 to 15 minutes. When I see that the edges are starting to brown, I'm gonna bring them out, okay? 15 minutes in the oven. Now I have them on some racks. We're gonna let them get completely cold before we taste them, okay? And our crackers are ready. These are tasty. They are not crisp. Go ahead and store them in a bag or in a sealed container for about a week. They'll be fine. And thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.